Hello.
Uptown Swing.
This is level 2 choreo.
That's Val.
And
I'm
that's
Brian.
We essentially learned like 6/8 of actual new stuff that we'll show, but we talked about how there are like 8/8 that repeat.
We showed it at the end of the last recap. So if you were here in class day, we talked about it. You know how it all fits together.
So we'll show the new stuff after we did point, point, point the second time around. So we just
gonna
did
be 5, 6, 7, stomp off, swing it on out. Hey, hey, swing it on out. Ba, ba da, hey, ba da, ha. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5,
and you hold it, and then you get up. That little break, so we just swung out twice, and we'll show just that rhythm part. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So practice that on your own. You don't even need a partner to practice it. And for the intro, we decided we just walk out, set up, wiggle a little bit, and then the beginning starts. And that's it.
We'll see you next week for the performance.